Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer CapCut projects from mobile to PC. So this is step by step. All you have to do is open your CapCut mobile version first. And here, the first thing to do is create your account first. So you can log in with your account that already registered or signed up. So you can register by Facebook, Google, or TikTok. After you have your account, you log in with your account or sign in with your account. You can start edit your projects. After done it, if you want to move into PC version, you can tap on three dots beside your projects and you can upload to space. So this space is it's like cloud storage that you have for free. So if you just use the the free one, not a pro one, you can get about 1 GB space here. So if you want to join pro, you can go with you can get about 10 GB and more. So here there is a cloud icon at the top of your thumbnail of your projects. It means your project is already synchronized with the PC version. Now you can download or install a PC version of CapCut via official website, and after that you can log in on your PC with the same account with your mobile version, and then you can edit your project there. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.